Take a look at shares of CrowdStrike right now. They're not lower, they're higher. They're rebounding after losing nearly a quarter of their value over the last two trading sessions following that massive global IT outage. So that got us to thinking, what would you do? What do you do if you're stuck in a stock like CrowdStrike? Not necessarily it, but maybe something like it. Josh is actually in the name, and he's going to take us to trade school. Do you dump it at this point and take your medicine?
Well, I'm wearing the dunce cap in trade school today because CrowdStrike has just experienced its second worst rolling weekly return of all time, down 28% in the last 5 trading days. So I don't know that anyone necessarily wants to go to trade school and listen to me, but I would just say this is not a trade, it's an investment. And so maybe that's the most important takeaway here. If you're a trader in a name like this, and they find themselves at the epicenter of a massive issue like this, and the cause of it, quite frankly, you have to sell. I mean, otherwise, you're not really a trader. You're a dilettante. So I think people who were in the stock for a trade already got out on Friday as the news broke. But I'm an investor here, and I've been here since 2020. I've ridden the stock the whole way up. Of course, this has been not a lot of fun the last couple of days as it's given up a whole bunch of that gain. But now, like, the question is, what do you do? So this is a stock trading at 20 times price to sales, which is the lowest valuation since the crash in 2022, lower valuation than 2019, 2020, or 2021. We really haven't had an opportunity to own the stock at this low of a valuation. So my bias is probably more toward looking for an opportunity to add rather than where do I want to puke it up. It's the second worst performer in the S&P 500 in the last month. So, like, arguably, if you're in a stock and that's the case and you haven't sold it, is selling the thing that you're really looking to do at that point in time. You've already experienced the trauma. Now you have a stock selling at an RSI of 23, the second most washed out stock in the market other than Disney. And we don't know what the fallout will be. We assume there'll be congressional investigation, maybe fines. They'll have to refund some money. But is that like extinction level event for a business like this? I would say absolutely not, Dom.
Josh, can I follow up? You mentioned epicenter, and it reminds me that there have been multiple occasions over the course of market history, even just over the last 10 or 15 years, where we've seen big name companies that are kind of heads of their industry suffer debilitating or seemingly debilitating defeats. More recently, it's been Boeing.
Yeah.
It's still trying to find some footing. I can remember when Meta Platforms, Facebook and Instagram, was at the center of the Cambridge Analytica data scandal, and they tanked huge, only to see it bounce back markedly. And then even before that, Johnson & Johnson, with regard to some of their packaging and perhaps tainted products, they've come back since then. Is it fair to assume that with blue chip names, they do eventually bounce back? How do you tell?
These kind of setbacks make good companies stronger. And let me tell you a story